Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the TCL S4 S-Class 4K TV. This budget-friendly TV has garnered some attention, so let's see if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk design. The TCL S4 features a sleek, minimalist design with a thin profile and direct LED backlighting. It's surprisingly lightweight for its size, making it easy to handle and install. Moving on to performance, the TCL S4 struggles a bit in brightly lit environments due to its limited brightness capability. This results in noticeable glare, which can be distracting during daytime viewing. Contrast performance is also hindered by the lack of local dimming, affecting darker scenes where depth and detail are compromised. On a brighter note, color accuracy is quite impressive, thanks to its low delta E score. Content in SDR mode shines with vibrant colors and decent accuracy. However, HDR content doesn't fare as well due to the TV's HDR brightness limitations. For gamers out there, the TCL S4 offers a commendable low input lag, making it suitable for casual gaming. It supports a 60 Hz refresh rate, which is adequate for most console gaming but lacks HDMI 2.1 for next-gen consoles, limiting its future-proofing in gaming setups. Navigating through its Google TV interface is a breeze, offering a wide selection of apps and streaming services. Despite its user-friendly interface, the TV can sometimes feel sluggish, especially when launching apps or navigating menus. Audio-wise, the built-in speakers deliver average sound quality typical of budget TVs. It's recommended to invest in a soundbar or external speakers for a more immersive experience. In terms of connectivity, the TCL S4 includes a good selection of ports including HDMI 2.0 and USB 3.0, but lacks HDMI 2.1 for higher frame rates. To wrap it up, the TCL S4 S-Class 4K TV offers decent value for its price, especially for those looking for a budget-friendly option with solid color accuracy and low input lag for gaming. However, it falls short in brightness, HDR performance, and contrast, which may be deal breakers for some. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.